The Samsung Galaxy S24 series, which is expected to come early next year, has been making waves in the smartphone market, with the S24 Ultra emerging as the top contender. Samsung phones use armor aluminum chassis, which is more robust than ordinary aluminum. It also gives the phones a more premium in-hand feel. With the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for next year, the Korean giant could use a titanium frame to take things up a notch. Titanium is nearly 4 times denser and stronger than aluminum, so it should fare better against dents and scratches in daily use. Normally, switching to a denser material for the center frame increases weight, however that does not seem to be the case with the S24 Ultra. It would weigh around 233 grams, which is already less than the current Gen S23 Ultra. So, if the story is true and the S24 Ultra weighs somewhat less than its predecessor, it would be an incredible effort on the side of the Korean giants. This might be because titanium's greater density allows Samsung to utilize less of it, resulting in weight savings. With the S24 series, we anticipate Samsung to lift the bar with major advancements. The S23 Ultra currently offers the finest display on a premium smartphone. If recent reports are to be believed, Samsung plans to go flatter with the S24 Ultra display. The biggest and most noticeable change that we can see from the mockup is that the S24 Ultra may forego the curved displays in favor of a phone with a flat front, similar to the current S23 and S23 Plus, but Samsung may retain the ultra-sharp corners on the S24 Ultra, giving it a distinct look. According to Ice Universe, the S24 Ultra will include a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor, up from the S23 Ultra's 10-megapixel sensor. The exact sensor details were not disclosed, but a jump from 10 to 50 megapixels represents a nearly 5-fold improvement in image resolution, so any picture taken with the S24 Ultra is expected to look flawless. Additionally, when the 3x optical zoom is used, the increased image resolution should mitigate a loss in quality. Galaxy. According to reports, Samsung intends to introduce the next edition of its flagship with a Snapdragon CPU. The S24 Ultra will be available in all countries with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, while the other two variants may be released with an Exynos 2400 processor. With an exclusive for Galaxy Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, Samsung and Qualcomm will continue their collaboration that began earlier this year with the introduction of the S23. The next S24 series will also be powered by a for Galaxy Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, which will outperform the normal model. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.